What's going on, guys? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei livestream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. It's been a very sunny as shit outside. It's hot as balls everywhere, guys. It is about 125 degrees just in my house. Like the sun is just, fuck this house, you know? It is hot as balls outside, guys, but we're having a great day. We're going to have a great day. We got a very good show for you today, guys. We got a very important show for you today, guys. Where I'm going to be waiting for that little dumpy dump coming right around the corner. Are you guys ready? Are your bags packed? Because there's going to be a little bit of a pullback coming real soon. Like real soon. I can see it on the charts right now, guys. It is just begging for some downwards action over on the XRP, which is wonderful. It's wonderful. That's exactly what we want. We want to have some downwards action on XRP because the lower it goes, guess what? The more I'm going to buy. So I want that 65-cent XRP coming right around the corner. That 55-cent XRP. That 49-cent XRP. Are you ready, guys? Are your bags full? Are you strapped in? Because we're going to go to the moon. Smash that like button if you haven't already. From whatever platform you're looking on me at, guys. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I'm on Kick. I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No excuses not to get my price ranges, guys. No excuses whatsoever. So big shout out for everybody here. Smash that like button. Follow and subscribe from whatever your preferred platform is. Just make sure that you do. And if you can, help a brother out, go ahead and share the wealth, share the link, share the information with everybody you know. Trying to hit that share button to all of your social media. We're going to try to grow this channel as much as we can. So to do that, I need you guys' help. So if you can help me out and share the wealth, share the information, go right ahead and smash that share button on whatever platform you're looking on me at. Trying to grow to that 10,000 subscriber mark. And I'm also trying to hit all-time highs on the like button, guys. So if you are in whatever platform you are at, please make sure that you hit that like button. The more you hit the like button, the more the information gets spread out throughout the whole universe. Okay, guys, so if you could do that little favor for me, go right ahead and smash that like button and share the wealth with everybody you know. So big shout out for everybody here. Big shout out to Robert Blackbird over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, Robert. You the man, Robert. You know how it is. Thank you for stopping by. So big shout out for everybody here. From whatever platform you're going to be, a big shout out to everybody there. Over on the YouTube channel, you guys are awesome like always. Twitch, you guys are amazing. And Facebook, man, it's just, I love it when you guys come over here and, you know, we can hang out for a little hour of power. Thank you stopping by, guys. You guys are amazing. We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see who all gets here. In the meantime, please to go right ahead and smash that like button. Let me get some water. Also, guys, if you have any coins that you want to look at, anything in specific you want to see, any TA you want to do, whatever coin you want to look at, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll do my best to read it out loud and do some TA on whatever the hell happens with the market with that coin. It could be anything, guys. It could be stock, it could be Forex, it could be crypto, it could be anything, because all the analysis applies to every single thing out there. So if you guys want to do any TA whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. Robert Blackbird over on the TikTok saying bonk. Bonk, is that a coin? Those are crazy ass names for coins. You know, we can do some bonk. If that's a coin, I'll figure it out. Don't worry about that. We look some bonk. I'm gonna write it down, guys, because we always do the same thing. We look at some different coins. We always go for it. Ayora Ricardo Ochoa. Big shout out to you, Ricardo Ochoa. We can look at some Ayora. Yeah, you want to do some Ayora? We can do some Ayora. Of course we can. Robert Blackboard, you also want to do some meme coin? We can do some meme coin. Well, why not? We can do some shit coins also. Whatever you guys want to do. Bring it in. Bring it here. Let's go. We're going to go in it today. So how y'all doing, guys? How y'all doing? Hope you all having a fantastic day. I'm having a great day. Like I said in the beginning of this stream, it is hot as balls. It's about 125 degrees outside. Especially like right on my house. The sun has like an issue with my house. It's just like laser focusing 120 degrees on my house. It is hot as balls outside, guys. I gotta crank up this AC all the way up. You know how it is. It is what it is. It's summer, guys. It is what it is. But I hope you all having a fantastic day. So big shout out for everybody here on the stream. You guys are awesome. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Trying to get to all-time highs. On my last stream, we had almost 25,000 likes. Can we do more than 25,000 likes on this stream? Let's find out, guys. Let's go. Let's get our charts ready. We're going to go in it today. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Ethereum. We're going to see if we're going to go up. Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? What's going on with the market? I don't know. Let's stick around. Let us find out together. Because today it's going to be a doozy. I can see in the charts that there's a lot of downwards pressure for the entire market. We're going to see some pullbacks, guys. We're going to see some dumpy dumps coming right around the corner. It is Monday. It is the first of the month. We got a whole new monthly candle. We're going to look at that. And we have a full moon. It's just a trifecta of fuckness around the market. The trifecta of fuckness. The first of the month, a Monday, and a full moon. I don't even know what the hell the market's going to do. But I do see some downwards action, guys. We're gonna get a little bit of a pullback. You'll see. All I'm trying to say is to get ready. Strap in. Put your seatbelts on, because you know where we're going. Let me get all this ready done for you guys so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. Let's go to some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some XRP. We're going to look at that today. Also, guys, on the news, I heard that the SEC struck again. We're going in for another lawsuit over on the crypto market by the SEC. This time is for Hex Coin. But do keep in mind that Hex Coin did have an ICO. They did have a cash grab. They did contact investors. All of those things are security things, you know? You know how it is? I don't know how that's going to play out for the Hex market, for everybody holding on to some Hex mode. I don't know if they're going to be able to have the same defense as XRP, because XRP did not have an ICO. They did reach out to investors, and those are what's considered securities. Pretty much the same thing that ICOs do. ICOs are cash grabs. They are trying to get volume into the company, just like stocks. I don't know. I don't know how that's going to play out for Hex. So if you're holding on to some Pulse chain, we're gonna talk about Pulse chain today. We're gonna look. Let me write it down over here, because I want to see what the hell is going to happen with Hex. Because I don't think it's going to look too good for Hex. I don't think it's going to do something. Bobby Boberson. That's a kick-ass name, Bobby. How long have you been unemployed? Brother, my whole life. How long have you been unemployed for? My entire life, brother. I live on the streets. It is what it is. It's a hard life, man. It's a hard knocks life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Everybody in crypto is just having a bad day, a bad life. You got to be truly committed to not being able to eat for a long time if you're on crypto. It is what it is, brother. It is what it is, Bobby. Memes over on the TikTok saying, are you doing $1 million bet? I will sooner or later, as long as I take this account all the way up to $1 million. I'm going to try to get this account to $1 million. The whole reason why I'm making this TikTok and this whole YouTube channel is so you guys can see my journey to $1 million for XRP. I'm turning $1,000 into $1 million over on this account over here. We're about $39,000 in. Let's see if we can keep it going to the upside, guys. You know how it is, taking it little by little, taking it easy. Trying to run this account all the way up to $1 million. Let's go, my $1 million XRP trade challenge. Sterling Knight, big shout out to you, Sterling Knight. Thank you for that share over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome. Millie, thank you for all them likes over on the TikTok, Millie. You're amazing, Millie. You're amazing. You know how it is. Big shout out to you. Dynamite over on the YouTube channel. We got a low, we got a high. You know how it is, my man. The lower we go, the more we buy. That's just how it is. That's the name of the game, my man, Dynamite. You don't miss a class, do you? You enjoy these classes. Smash that like button, Dynamite. You know how it is. Big shout out to you, Dynamite, over on the YouTube channel. Carl MF Kramer, over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Kramer. How are you at 39K already? Brother, I do some trades. Go ahead and head over to my YouTube channel. You can see all the trades that I've made ever since January. The whole purpose of this entire account is to drive the $1,000 to $1 million by the end of the year. I'm a little behind. I would have expected to be at around 100K by now. But it is what it is. You got to take it easy. You got to be consistent on your trades. Pretty much the only way I can answer that question is just to be consistent on your trades. Watch all of my previous YouTube channels, guys. It's all there. It's all there. You can see the entire journey all the way since January 1st till today. And right now, are we going to go in on a trade on XRP? I don't know. Maybe if it crosses below 65 cents. I am crossing my fingers, guys. Crossing my fingers. User 38, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, User 38. JDXL over on the TikTok asking, what are we buying? Everything, my man. Everything. No excuses. Stack up on whatever coin you guys want. We're going to have the dumpy dump. Strap in and let's go. Choose whatever coin whatever coin you want to buy. It's all up to you guys. Whatever you want to buy. Completely up to you. I'm buying more XRP. I bought more XRP at 70 cents. Let's see if we can pray to the gods that this motherfucker doesn't keep going lower. But if it does, hey, we just stack up on some more. It is what it is. It's the name of the game. But I'm seeing a little bit of a pullback coming around for XRP. And for the entire market, not just XRP. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Ethereum, everything. It's just kind of looking a little saucy to the downside. It's looking a little saucy to the downside. We're going to go into today. John Planick over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Oh, I hit my foot with the wheel of the chair. God damn it, that hurt. Carl Kramer over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. New here, so trying to see if I'm interested. My man, welcome to the team. Welcome to the channel. Big shout out to you, Kramer. Stick around. You ain't seen nothing yet. Stick around. Smash that like button and follow if you want. Completely up to you. Well, you can watch my journey, guys. We're gonna go in it today. No excuses. No excuses. Millie, big shout out to you, Millie. Thank you for that follow over the TikTok. Blue Razor 220 over on the TikTok saying, how about XLM? Of course, we're going to talk about some XLM, my man. If we talk about XRP, we got to talk about XLM. XLM it's like XRP's evil twin sister. It goes hand in hand with one another, you know? Whatever one does, holds us the other one. So we got to talk about XLM. Of course, we're going to talk about XLM, my man. Stick around and smash that like button. Sherry over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Wiki Vargas over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. XRP Way, big shout out to you. How you doing, my man? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just taking it easy little by little. DY over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Blue Razor also. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. I'm going to take some water, guys. We're going to go in it today. We're going to go in it today, guys. Also, guys, I'm also streaming on every single platform out there. So if you guys want a better quality stream, because TikTok stream unfortunately sucks balls because I can't use their software. For some reason, the TikTok software just bans me from using my TikTok. I get a community strike for using the software every goddamn time I use it, and I don't want to lose my TikTok channel. So that's why I got to use my phone. I'm sorry about the bad quality, but it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. But you can head over to my live streams on every single platform out there. You can go to my YouTube channel. You can go to my Twitch. You can go everywhere. You can guys see a way better stream. So head on over to my YouTube channel, link on my bio, if you want to see a better stream. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Ernesto. How you doing, my man? What? In fucked up big time, I lost 26,000 XRP coins. I got scammed. Ernesto, what the fuck did you do? How did you lose 26,000 XRP? Didn't you have them on your ledger? What did you do? Who did you send it to? Who did you send your XRP to? Man, Ernesto, I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Fuck that pisses me the fuck off. I can't imagine how you feel. I mean, I've been scammed so hard. 2022, my man. Scammed 2022. I lost everything. My business, my friends, my money. I lost everything out of all the goddamn rug pulls back in 2022. But it's the nature of the beast. You know how it is? My man, I'm crying for you too, my man. I'm crying for you. 26,000 XRP. Can you imagine that XRP goes to $5? That's $100-something thousand. Oh my God, that would hurt. Oh my God, that would fucking hurt. You know how it is, man. Yeah, it would fucking hurt. But what did you do, Ernesto? What the fuck did you do? God damn it. Is there any way you can get it back? Like, what platform did you send it to? Like, can you contact them? What happened? Talk to me, my man. Christine, big shout out to you, Cursor Sheree. Christine over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Christine. Thank you for stopping by. We're going to have a great show for you today, guys. We're going to be talking about these markets. We're going to see what my entry prices are. Some things are changing. Let's go. We're going to have a little bit of a pullback happening. We finally have a new monthly candle, which is wonderful to see. Look at this mega spike to the upside. And you can't expect to have a mega spike to the upside without a little bit of a pullback. We're going to have that pullback. It is what it is. Juan Perales over on the TikTok saying, I got scammed out of 5,000 XRP. Brothers, what are you doing with your XRP? Leave it on your ledger device. Juan Perales over on the TikTok saying, a guy pretending to be a crypto influencer. Yo, no, don't send your XRP to anybody. Boy, okay, guys. Best advice I could have. This is not financial advice. It's just a human advice for somebody who's been in crypto for a long fucking time. Don't send your crypto to any platform whatsoever. Read the statement below my YouTube channel. Like every time I stream, I put it there. I have a Crypto Sensei student pledge. And one of the pledge is that I will never leave any funds on any exchange or platform because platforms are evil. If you hear anywhere that if you send me $1 or give you back $2, come on, man, a little bit of common sense. I'm sorry to say, but don't, bro. Best advice: put it in your ledger device and forget about it, and don't ever connect it to the internet. Don't ever send it to nobody. Don't give your private keys to anybody. God damn it, man. I'm pissed. I'm pissed that you guys are scammed out by your XRP. God, that pisses me the fuck off. I'm mad. I was having a good day. My man. Well, at least if you send your XRP, remember there's a transaction ID. Maybe you can head out and try to figure out who the fuck owns that wallet. It's hard as shit. You're probably never going to find it, but man. I'm pissed. Roy White over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Zach on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. How do you trade if you have stuck in a wallet, though? You don't. Simple as that, my man. You have two choices. You can either buy your crypto and put it in your ledger device and forget about it. That's a long-term hold. I mean long-term. 5 years down the line. 10, 15 years down the line. See what the price is on crypto 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and let's see if you can make some money. But the moment that crypto leaves your ledger device and goes to a platform, guess what? You don't own those crypto anymore. You're at the mercy of the platform. They tell you what to do with your funds. Can you? No, that doesn't go right with me. That does not go right with me. I'm telling you, I've been victim to many crypto scams in the past. BitConnect, ARB, what was it? Devor Coin. I mean, so many fucking rug pulls back in 2017, 2018. Don't do that. Keep your crypto on your ledger device. And if you're going to trade because you have to trade, yeah, you're going to have to send your crypto to the platform, but only make sure that you trade with what you're willing to lose and only send a percentage of your portfolio, not your entire portfolio. The more you send your crypto, the riskier that crypto is going to be. Okay? Just please, guys, I don't want to hear you guys losing crypto anymore. Put it on your ledger device. And you don't even need the expensive one. You can get the cheaper one. Do not send your crypto anywhere. Keep it in your ledger and forget about it for the next 5 or 10 years. Because what the hell do you want to trade your crypto for if you're going to be losing your crypto? Juan Perales over on the TikTok saying, so I can't trust Uphold. Lol, BitConnect got me too. Yeah, that's what that we know. We know, my man. We were in there. We got the same story that, hey, I'll send you crypto, you send me back, and it all worked beautifully for a year, and they fucking disappeared. Good luck finding those funds now. Even the SEC is looking for those motherfuckers. There's nowhere to be found, and they're not gonna find them. That BitConnect is never coming back. Devor is never coming back. None of that crypto is ever coming back. Why? Because we put it on the fucking platform. We didn't have it in the ledger device. And I'm going on a tangent, but it just frustrates the hell out of me that my community is losing their crypto. I mean, that does not sit well with me at all. I can't. Juan Perales, thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Von Gee over on the TikTok saying, I don't trade nothing out of my wallet personally. Yeah, just you can trade on your ledger device, by the way. You don't have to send it out of your ledger device. They have a trading platform inside Ledger. If you guys want to trade your crypto, completely up to you. But the moment the crypto leaves the wallet into somebody else's wallet, they're no longer your crypto. That's an old saying that says not your keys, not your crypto. It's for a reason, because you're never getting that crypto back. Do with that information as you may. Trade it how the hell you want. I mean, if you want to do some leverage trades with me, guess what? You're going to have to send your crypto. If you want to trade on BitGet, you need to send your crypto. There's just no other way around it. But I sent to this platform $1,000, and I am willing to lose that $1,000. That $1,000 grew over 7 months to $39,000, which is great. But guess what? BitGet can tomorrow wake up in a bad mood and take my $39,000, and there's not a damn thing I can do about it because I left it in the platform. Oh man, I am pissed and frustrated with you guys because this is not the first time that we go through this shit, and it's definitely never going to be the last. Where there's money involved, there's always going to be sharks. There's always going to be assholes in the market trying to take your crypto from you guys. I'm sorry to hear everything that you guys are losing your XRP. The best advice I could give you to put it on your ledger and forget about your XRP for 5 years. The next bull cycle is 2025. When do you want to look at your crypto? If you buy it today, look at it at March 2025, and let's see what the price is. Let's see how the price is. And then if you want to send it to exchange it back into cash, trade it in your ledger device from your ledger account. That way it doesn't leave your ledger device. It always stays in your ledger device. Okay? So yeah, I'm fucking frustrated for each and every one of you guys. There's no reason why you guys should be losing your XRP. I am pissed and I am mad. I'm sorry to hear that, Ernesto. And for everybody else who's lost their XRP, that's not right, bro. Blue Razor over on the TikTok saying, but what happens if the ledger is either lost, stolen, or damaged? It doesn't matter. Because when you buy your ledger device, guess what? You get a 24 seed phrase. That 24 seed phrase, you write it down in a piece of paper, okay? And then you store that in a safe place where nobody can access it, because your crypto is not in your ledger device. Your crypto is in the blockchain that you access through your ledger device. Okay. I know it doesn't make any sense right now because it's like you're accessing your data from a USB device. It doesn't work like that. The ledger device is just how you sign the transaction. It's how the blockchain gives you permission to sign the transaction. If you don't have that permission, you can't send your crypto. That's why the ledger device is just a signed transaction. You hit the button and it says signed transaction. That's what the ledger device is for. But your crypto is not in the ledger device. Your crypto is in the blockchain, away from you, in this beautiful, magical world that nobody can access, called the blockchain. Okay. And the only way you can access the blockchain is through your private keys, which is the 24 seed phrase. So if, for example, your ledger devices get ran over by a fucking car, or your house got not permit, that your house catches on fire and you burn your ledger device, as long as you have your 24 seed phrase, you can buy another ledger device and back it up. You can buy a ledger device and back it up to another ledger device accessing the same funds. There's ways, guys. There's ways and there's ways. Cracker B7. Big shout out to you, Cracker B7, XRP, XLM, Quan, and HBAR. Of course we're going to go into those guys today. My man, come on. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Trying to get to all-time highs. We got to 20,000 the last live stream. Let's see if we can do 30,000 this time. Let's go. We're going to talk about all those coins. Of course we are. We always talk about those coins. My man, stick around. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit down and meditate on the dojo. Let's go. Rojas 165. Big shout out to you. It does make sense, bro. Thanks. You know how it is. I'm here for you guys. Any questions that you guys have, bring it here. Bring it here. If you ever see a platform and there you're like, big shout out to the official Herb. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok, on the Kick channel. Sorry. Make sure that if you ever see a platform, anything whatsoever that sounds fishy, bring it here. Ask me first. Ask me first, okay? And I'll tell you, no, don't do it. Okay? Bring it here first. Bring it here first. Von Gioran at TikTok saying people should most definitely watch videos about blockchain and on YouTube or Coinbase ASAP. Absolutely. There has got to be at least a bajillion videos on YouTube about everything I just talked about today. Okay? There's at least a billion videos. Go ahead and search it. You don't have to take my word for it. If you don't trust me, hey, okay. Search it on YouTube and you'll see that I'm right. Okay? Run fam over on the check shop. Big shout out to you, Run fam. Ledger keeps the key phrase crypto. Never leave the blockchain. Exactly. Correct. The ledger signs for your transaction, confirming that it's you sending the transaction. Because anybody can go into the blockchain and try to pull out your funds. It's been tried for years. And guess what? It's never going to happen. The blockchain is unhackable, unbreakable. But if they have access to your 24 seed phrase, they have access to your crypto. They don't really have to try that hard. They just need to get your 24 seed phrase. So if you give out your 24 seed phrase to anybody who asks for it, brother, sister, you're going to have a problem because they're going to take your crypto. As soon as you hear a platform, a wallet, anything asking for your private seed phrase, run the fuck away. Run the fuck away. Nobody's going to ask you. Not a legit platform is going to ask you for your 24 seed phrase. Pamela Rouge over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thank you. No, thank you for stopping by, Pamela. Big shout out to you, Pamela. Blue Razor, thank you for the information. Thank you. No, thank you for stopping by, Pamela. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Pamela. Heat Miser, thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Rojas 165 over on the TikTok saying, do you know how good Bitso exchange in Latino America? I have never tried that exchange, so I can't give you my shout out on that exchange. I use BitGet always be wary with new platforms because I don't know. I've never tried it, but I could try it out if you want, Rojas. I can try it out and let you know. But all exchanges are evil. For me, all exchanges and platforms are evil, okay? Until proven otherwise. Deanne, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Daniela Looms over on the Check Shock. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. User 73, thank you for that follow. My man, you guys are just keep following and following. That's fucking amazing. Big shout out to you. Jay Net, big shout out to you over on the Check Shock. Let's see who else we got on the house today over on my other streaming platforms. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Crypto Puppet. BS to the side. How high do you think XRP can reach? Well, I have no fucking clue whatsoever how high XRP is going to go. But I do have a target price for myself when I am going to be starting to take some profits. I don't know when the hell that's ever going to happen, even if it's going to happen. Okay. My target price is $5. That's where I'm going to start taking some profits on the way up. Okay. I don't know if we're ever going to reach $5 for XRP, but if we do, guess what? I'm going to start taking some profits on my XRP, take some profits on the way up because you just never know. You just never know, bro. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube saying 100% right. You're talking about the ledger. That's, you know how it is. Huevo. Big shout out to you, Crypto Puppet. Neil Fisher Herb with a little smiley face over on the Kick channel. Also, guys, I'm streaming on Kick. If you guys want to head on over to my Kick channel, you can check it out over there. I'm also on Twitch. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place. If you guys want to look at a better quality stream, go ahead and head on over to my YouTube channel. I'm there also every day, 5 p.m. Eastern. Blue Razor over on the TikTok saying, are you able to buy from Robinhood and send to your ledger? I was led to believe on the last live stream that yes, you can. When I used to have a Robinhood account, yes, I did have a Robinhood account a long, long time ago. I tried to buy the crypto and take it out, and I wasn't able to. I don't know how things are today because I don't have that Robinhood account ever again. I'm never trading on Robinhood ever again. But I was led to believe that, yes, you can. That you can buy from Robinhood and take out your funds out of Robinhood, which is very important if you're going to be trading on Robinhood. Rojas 165 saying over on the Check Shock, I thought so too, but then I learned about quantum computers. And now everything is possible. Absolutely. That is pretty much the biggest threat that cryptocurrency and blockchains have is quantum computing. But quantum computing is eons away from being able to be used by your phone. Not saying that it never will. We all know that technology moves in mysterious ways. Okay? 18 months from now, the technology that's going to be here next year and the next year after that is just going to absolutely amazing. But we're long ways away from having quantum computing on your phone. It's going to happen. Absolutely. We got a long ways to go. They still got to figure out a few kinks. But yes, quantum computing can break the blockchain. It's the biggest threat that we have in the crypto markets. So anybody creating cryptocurrencies from now on better start thinking about making better blockchains, stronger, more powerful, that the quantum computing cannot break. But the technology... It's around the corner. We got a long way, but it's right around the corner, guys. That's things that you got to keep in mind when you're doing your cryptocurrency, because nothing is ever unhackable and unbreakable. It just takes somebody really, really, really willing to want to do it. And quantum computing is right around the corner. Red over on the TXR saying, is XRP going to drop soon? Can I get more? I don't know if you've been here in my last live stream, my man, but XRP, 65 cents, 55, and 49. Those are my entry prices. 65. We got at 70. We got in at 70. We got some XRP. We're going to get some more at 65, get some more on 55, and get some more on 49. Those are my 4 limit buy orders, okay? But I just keep stacking out dollar cost averaging on my way in on XRP. Just keep buying some more, keep buying some more. If it drops, we buy some more. If it drops again, we buy some more. Smash that like button, guys, from whatever platform you're looking at. The more you smash the like button, the higher the XRP price goes. Best believe. Trust me on this. I'm not lying. Vega Star Nova over on the TX Shock. What do you think about Decent Wallet? It's a decent wallet. You can get a decent wallet also. That's the one with the fingerprint scanner, right? Yeah. That's an extra layer of security. So Decent Wallet, Ledger Wallets, and EliPal wallets. Okay, those are my top 3. EliPal being number 1. The best hardware wallet for me is the EliPal wallet. Okay? Because the EliPal wallet is, what's the word I'm looking for? It doesn't have any way to connect to it. Okay? It's air sealed tight. You can't connect to the internet. It doesn't have Bluetooth, doesn't have NFC, doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, doesn't have anything that you can hack into it. If you open it, it auto-destructs. So for me, the EliPal device, for me, is the best device out there for your cold storage needs. Okay? But decent wallet is a decent wallet. Things starting overall. Let's look at Wave Quantum Computing. I know, my man. I know. It's right around the corner. I'm telling you guys, this game is not gonna be forever. Gotta learn to take your profits on the way up, because you just never know. You just never know. Tomorrow morning, you can wake up to news that the new Google phone has quantum computing, and guess what? Somebody motivated enough can go into a blockchain and break it, and then we're all screwed. Now we're going to zero. Digital interface over on the TikTok saying take it to zero, liquidate all stop losses, and banks institutions gonna grab it all. Absolutely agreed. Digital interface, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Vegas Star Nova biometric. You're talking about the Decent wallet. Yes, it has a biometric. It has a fingerprint scanner, right? So you can access your trades, your cryptocurrency. Red over on the TikTok saying, thanks, my man. Have you looked at ETH? No, I haven't started with the technical analysis just yet. Well, we're going to go in it today. To see who else is here over on the TikTok, we're going to go in it today, guys. Stick around. Christopher Rice over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. You said which wallet? My favorite wallet is the EliPal wallet. This one. We'll look it over. EliPal. Boom. You can go to elipal.com. Or if you want to help grow the channel, you can go into one of my affiliate links in my bio. You can look at it for EliPal wallet. And this is my favorite hardware wallet there is. It's about the size of an iPhone 4, if you remember those. The iPhone 4. It's very small, but super strong, my man. I'm pretty sure this shit is bulletproof. I've never shot an EliPal device. That would make a kick-ass YouTube video, by the way. See how bulletproof is the EliPal device? I'll shoot the shit out of it. But this is my favorite device over here. It's air gapped. It doesn't have any Bluetooth, any Wi-Fi, any NFC, nothing. There's just no way to hack into it whatsoever. You can try to open it and it will break automatically. It has a self-destruct if you break it, if you open it. See, no USB, no Bluetooth, no nothing. Okay. Anti-disassembly, anti-tamper. I literally ran over this fucker with my car, and I have a Ram truck. I ran over it with my Ram, and it did not break at all. At all. Okay. So, worth every penny if you're going to be protecting your crypto on your own, okay? Worth every penny. Get yourselves an EliPal device and forget about the rest, guys. Forget about the rest. Shelly, big shout out to you, Shelly, over on the TikTok. So where it head in the next few days? I am thinking that the price is going to go down. 65 cents, about 63.421 if you're trading over on BitGet. My entry price is 65 cents. I always try to get it a little bit higher than the 618 just in case it doesn't really quite hit the 618. But 65 cents is my entry price for the next pull to the downside. After that one is 55, and after that one, 49. Okay? But we're going to go in it. We're going to look at it today on the TA portion of my class. Okay? We're going to start the class in a few minutes. Let's go in it. B Foster over on the TikTok saying, follow the left. Thank you for that follow, B Foster. Big shout out to you. STL DFW over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. ETH all in at 17. Absolutely. Big shout out to you, my man. Get some ETH. Navy husband now over on the TikTok. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on the Navy. I got my 300 XRP. How are they gonna take it from me? Well, as long as you have it on your Ledger device, there's no way, shape, or form that they can take it away from you. Endless Summer over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Price for the EliPal device. $139. The Titan device is $139, but they have other cheaper options that you can get. The Mini. The Mini is $79. Okay, it does the exact same thing as the EliPal device, but smaller. It's actually quite small. It's about half the size, and it's pretty small. And if portability is something that you value, get the Titan device, the Titan Mini. It's about $79. It does the exact same thing as the other one. It holds the exact same amount of coins. It's just at a cheaper price. So for half the price, half the size, get an EliPal Titan Mini, and it'll do the exact same thing as the EliPal device. If $139 is just too much for you. In my case, I got the Titan bundle. Okay, this is what I bought. The Titan bundle is $169, but it brings this little case. You see this gray case over here on the right side? That's how you write down your 24 seed phrase in a case that's pretty much fireproof, Diego proof, Crypto Sensei proof. Like, I could not destroy that little thing right there. You can put your 24 seed phrase in it and store it in a safe place where nobody can reach it. And you'll always have your seed phrase with you, and nobody can access your crypto as long as they can't access the 24 seed phrase. You can put a lock on it. You can seal it with glue and forget about it. I don't know. Do what you got to do. Just put it under the ground, some special place like a treasure map or something. Do what you got to do. But that's how I did it. I bought the Titan bundle, and I got the EliPal device, and I got the little case to store my 24 seed phrase. Okay. Anthony over on the TXR saying, I can't trade on Coinbase now. What happened? Did your account get flagged? I also have my account flagged over on Coinbase. It's been flagged for more than 2 years, and I've never been able to resolve it. For some reason, they just banned my Coinbase account. I can't trade on Coinbase. I hate Coinbase. Shelly over on the TikTok saying, thank you for that's what I thought. Well, big shout out to you, Shelly. Crow, big shout out to you, Crow over. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Shelly, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Sipna067 over on the TikTok saying, been packing and stacking since 2016. Heavy bags. Absolutely. Big shout out to you, my man. Those are the smartest words ever, bro. You're probably the smartest guy I know. Zipna067. You the man. Right there, my man. Been packing and stacking. I've been packing and stacking since 2015. My XRP, I bought my XRP at 0.006. Rolled that motherfucker all the way up to $3, took my profits, came back down to 17, bought back in, and I haven't taken my profits ever since. Back in 2020, December, when the lawsuit happened, that motherfucker went all the way down to 17 cents. That's when I bought some XRP. And I've been holding on to that XRP for a long time. And guess what? I'm going to keep holding on to my XRP. It don't matter what anybody says. Josh Beaker over on the TikTok saying, what did I miss? Nothing, my man. We're just shout outs right now, my man. You know, we're taking it easy little by little. Stick around. Smash that like button. Elvia over on the TikTok saying, is EliPal easier to use than the Ledger? In my experience, I would say no. It's easier to use the Ledger device. It's more intuitive. It's sort of like second nature. You just press a few buttons and let's go. With the EliPal device, you need to take a picture of a QR code. You need to connect it to your phone through QR codes, which could be a little bit hectic for some people who don't know how to use QR codes. It has a little bit more of a learning curve, but that's just my opinion. It's because I've been using both. I've had the Decent Wallet. I've had the Trezor. I've had the Ledger. I've tried them all. For me, ease of use is the Ledger device. Air gapness, where it cannot connect to your computer in no way, shape, or form other than the SD card where you do your updates. That could be like it's not air gap. You can argue that. But I'd rather have it that way than to have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, all of that technologies that are just unnecessary. So my man, Elvia, I would tell you that the Ledger device for me is a little bit easier to use. But that's just me. Okay, that's just me. Big shout out to Alex. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Perry D, Ellie Pal, where is a good place to order? Directly from their website. Don't buy it from Amazon. Don't buy it from eBay. Don't buy it from anywhere else other than the direct website, elliepal.com. Or you can use one of my affiliate links on my link in bio. Okay, you can head over to my bio, look at the link, and look for Ellie Pal if you want to help the channel grow. But I sell it directly from their website, okay? User 17 over on the TikTok saying, is Ledger safe? Yeah, it's pretty safe. Pretty goddamn safe. Nothing in this world is unhackable, but it's pretty fucking safe. It's pretty fucking safe. They had a issue a few months ago where people were being able to hack into it, but we're not going to go into that right now. We're not going to talk about that. But Ledger is pretty safe. It's pretty safe. Nikki over on the TikTok saying, is Kraken a safe platform for XRP? No platform is safe whatsoever, but you can get your XRP from there and put it in your Ledger device. That's one way to go. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch channel. What's up, man? It's all good. You know how this is, chilling like a villain, taking it easy, little by little. You got to show me how to make that chat to look like that. Deep looking. Oh, you mean that I have it on 3D, like that? Yeah, that's a kick-ass effect. You just got to put filters on your OBS software. You use OBS to do your streaming, right? You can just add a filter to whatever source you guys want. So you put the 3D effect plugin into your OBS and you can put any source 3D like that. This video's online. You can go to YouTube and 3D effect OBS. You put 3D effect OBS and they'll show you how to do it. Big shout out to Jenks over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Where's my... Give me a second, guys. Don't go anywhere. I gotta flip this over because the battery of my what's holding the phone so I can the battery went off. So give me a second, guys. Don't go anywhere. Mingle, guys, mingle. Mingle with each other. Let's go. That's hilarious. The battery went off on the tripod mount. That is funny as shit. Oh, no, it doesn't want to fucking plug in. Okay, that's wonderful. We're going to give it a few more minutes, guys, for it to charge so that I could do the thing. But in the meantime, I'll hold on to it like this. There we go. I'll just hand it like that. See, guys, I can bring the information. I'm just going to give it a few minutes, but look at that. See, it just died on me. It is what it is, guys. It happens. Shit happens. Tato over on the TX on the Twitch channel. By the way, sorry I'm taking to do the animation. Don't worry about it, man. There's no hurry to do that. Don't even think about it that much, man. I am him over on the TikTok saying, what's up, my man? It's all good. You know how it is, chilling like a villain. It's all good. Taking it easy little by little. Josh Beaker over on the TikTok saying, what's everyone's thoughts on XLM XDC price in a few months? We're going to go in it today. Don't worry about that, my man. We're going to go in it. All right, guys. Let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. So stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already. We're going to go in it today. We're going to find out if we're going to make some money. I don't know. Stick around. Hit the like button. Subscribe and follow from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there, guys. No excuses. Not to get my price ranges. Not to get my price action. Not to get my entry and exit prices. Because we're going to go in it today. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, you better do it on Bitcoin first because Bitcoin drives the markets. For now, sooner or later, it'll be XRP. And we're going to go in it. We're going to look at that for sure. We're going to definitely drive the market sooner or later. But for now, it's Bitcoin. So we got to listen to whatever the hell Bitcoin is doing. So we got to do our TA to Bitcoin. Okay? So let's go to the daily chart. Actually, let's go to the monthly chart because we are in the 1st of August. And look at that. We got a beautiful green candle on the new monthly chart for Bitcoin. That's beautiful to see. With that said, you know that momentum is to where? The upside. But nothing goes up forever. There's going to be pullbacks. So we got to figure out what those pullbacks are going to be, or when are those pullbacks going to be. So let's go down to the daily chart. Let's do this over here. Boom, boom. And that is the daily chart for Bitcoin. So we're going to go in it today. Let's find out what can we do with this information that we're being shown right now on the screen. So Bitcoin having a little bit of a pullback action. That's beautiful to see. Now we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So that has a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And those are my beautiful, beautiful Fibonacci levels playing out on the screen right now. So what are we looking at right now? That Bitcoin is finding heavy support over on the 382. Do you see this yellow, this white line that I have drawn on the screen right now? This white line down here, that is the 382 on the Fibonacci. Okay. Now, for me, the way that I see it, the 382 is not supposed to be support. I don't deal with the 382 as support. I deal with the 382 as resistance, okay? So for me, the 382 is a weak support. I'd rather trade any asset within the golden ratio. You see this yellow line that I have drawn right here, this yellow line over here? You see it? That is the highest demand zone on any asset whatsoever. Okay, this right here, this yellow line, that's called the 618. So for me, the way that I trade this account specifically, super conservative, super duper long term thinking, I rather wait for Bitcoin to go down there to the 618 and then find support, and then I go in on the trade. Okay, it's the only way that I've been able to grow this account from $1,000 to $39,000 in 7 months, doing 5x leverage trades. You can rewatch all my videos. They're all in my YouTube channel. You can see how it has been done. Okay. And we're still growing that account as much as we can. Okay. So Bitcoin looking a little saucy to the downside on the 382. I am going to wait. Big shout out to you, T-Bell. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. I am going to wait for the price of Bitcoin to be at the 618. I'm talking about 27,488. That for me is the highest demand zone on any asset whatsoever when you're doing your trading. So you have to find out what the highest demand zone is. It's 27,488. So that area right there has a high probability that it's going to be getting tested. I lock in. I go into my Bitcoin account and I enter that price, 27,400. I set the price. I set the trade automatically. If it reaches 27,488, you best believe that without hesitation whatsoever, without thought, without emotion, I go in on that trade to the long side. There's probably going to be a little bit of a bouncy bounce on that zone, and I try to catch that bouncy bounce. Okay? So as long as you don't master the Fibonacci levels, you can't keep moving forward. And a lot of people don't understand the demand zones on the Fibonacci levels. This is why this is the first thing that you got to learn. You got to learn how to draw your Fibonacci levels. And the way you do that is very simple. You identify a low, you identify a high, and you identify a pullback on the high. So you have what? A shark fin formation. Whenever you see a shark fin formation, that's the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay. So for me, my entry price to getting in on some Bitcoin action is 27,488. I believe we're going to have a little bit of a pullback to that zone, and I'm going to take advantage of it. Okay. And if it doesn't, if it for some miraculous reason, it just finds support in the 382 and this fucker goes to 100K by tomorrow, then guess what? I missed it. I missed my opportunity. We reset the Fibonacci and we go back in later down the line. You don't have to trade every single day at all times. Okay. It's very risky to do that type of trading. Okay. For me, this channel in specific, I used to do it very risky. For this channel in specific, is to how you make consistent trades in the longer term using support and resistance. Okay, that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys on this channel. Okay, so 27,488, that's my entry price for some Bitcoin action. Take a screenshot of that if you want. Play it however the hell you want to play, but this is how I am going to be playing my trades. 27,488 is my entry price for some Bitcoin action, okay? Moving on to some Ethereum. What is Ethereum doing? Well, if Bitcoin is having a little bit of a dumpy dump, Ethereum is going to have a dumpy dump with it. Okay, so whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum follows right there with it. It is what it is, guys. It's just how the market behaves. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci. And what is Ethereum doing as of right now? Trying to find that support on the 0.5. We had it here. That was your sign to getting in on some Ethereum right there. We had it here. We had it here. We had it here. We had it here. So many times that 0.5 on the Fibonacci level has been tested. Always remember, guys, that the more a line gets tested, the more holes are on the ground, the weaker that hole becomes. Okay, imagine you're walking down the street, and the more you walk on that same street, the deeper that street gets. That's what happens when you walk on any support line whatsoever. The weaker and weaker and weaker it becomes. Okay, so we're probably going to get that test on the 0.5 at 1,828. Okay, so if your best bet would be 1,828 to getting in on some Ethereum action. For me personally, I can do better. I can do better. I am going to go in on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels at 1,780. I'm pretty sure that this price range, I've been waiting for this price range for months. Look at all these candles you see. These are days. All of these are days, and this motherfucker does not want to reach 1,780. 1,780. That's my entry price to getting in on some Ethereum. 1,780. Crossing my fingers to the crypto gods. I'm praying. Come on, man. Let's make it happen. Bring this fucker all the way down to 1,780 so I can get in. Why is that so hard? Why is that so hard? Come on. The Glass Man. Big shout out to you, Glass Man, over on the Chicks. I thank you for that follow. And that, guys, is how I'm going to be playing out my Ethereum action. 1,780. Tato on the Chicks on the Twitch saying, gonna leave you my view, bro. Gonna prepare to stream too. Talk to you later. All right, thank you for stopping by, my man. Big shout out to you. Do you, boo boo? Moving on to my beautiful baby girl XRP. Let's see what the hell XRP is doing. XRP, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. We have a shark fin for a beautiful shark fin formation to the upside. That's wonderful to see. More power to the upside on XRP. But we have our Fibonacci levels right here. Boom. Wait, this is not the low point. This is the low point. All right. That is my XRP price ranges right over there. Met my 70 XRP price range. I bought some XRP at 70. Okay. My next target range is 65 cents, which is the 618. Okay. Are we going to get to 65 cents? I have no idea whatsoever. Don't ask me that. But if we do, guess what? I'm ready, locked in, ready to go. Look, you don't believe me. You don't believe me. You don't believe me. I'm gonna show you my trades. Give me a second. 65 cents is my entry price for the next price to the downside, dollar cost averaging on the way down. Okay. Now, I have two more. Price ranges to the downside. These right here, which are the reverse 382 and the reverse 618. These are my take profits up here. These are my entry zones down here. So I have an entry price at 65 cents, 0.65. God damn it, 0.65. Okay, that's one entry price. My next entry price is down here at 0.56. Okay. And my third and final entry price for some XRP action is 0.50. I actually have it at 0.49, just in case. It'll wick a little bit lower than that. If it wicks a little bit lower than the target range, those are my entry prices for XRP. Okay, play however the hell you want to play. Completely up to you. You don't have to try to follow my trades in no way, shape, or form. Is this financial advice whatsoever? But that is how I am going to be playing my XRP trades. Okay, 65, 56, and 49. Those are my entry prices for some XRP action. Okay, take a screenshot if you want to play it out however the hell you want to play it. But those are my buying. I'm gonna limit buy order here. Limit buy order here. And limit buy order down here. 3 ranges, $3 cost averages on the way down. Let's fucking go. And if it pumps from here, hey, then it is what it is. I missed those 3 opportunities and I missed them. It is what it is. I'm not going to chase a trade. I'm not going to chase a candle. I am going to let these trades play out by themselves. Okay. And if it pumps from here, then hooray, because we hold a shit ton of XRP either way. Okay. So if it pumps to the upside, we keep going to the upside. We make money either way. But if it dumps, hooray, because we bought more XRP. Okay? What I'm thinking this fucker is going to do is go like this. Okay? This is what I think it's going to do. And then, all right? All right? That's how I'm going to be playing it out, guys. You play however the hell you want to play it. But that's how I'm going to be playing it out. Okay? Moving on to some Cardano. What is Cardano doing? Not much love for Cardano, is there? Not much love for some Cardano action. What is Cardano doing right now? Okay, so we got a low. We have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. And look at that. What is Cardano doing right over here? It's finding the support on the 0.5 on the Fibonacci levels. That's beautiful to see. That would be your sign to get in on some Cardano action. Okay. I would have preferred. Big shout out to Travel0888 over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. I would prefer to get in on some Cardano action down here. So my entry price for some Cardano action is in the 0.618. I would wait for Cardano to dump it down all the way down to 28 cents, 28.71. Okay. That is my entry price to getting in on some Cardano action. If you guys want to play out this Cardano action, I would wait for the dumpy dump all the way down to the 618. Hopefully it'll get some resistance, some support on that zone, and we bounce from there to the upside and we make money on the way up. Okay. 28.72. That is my entry price for some Cardano action. Big shout out to Brandon over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Juju over on the Twitch channel saying, is XRP still a buy? Absolutely, bro. Jojo, come on, Jojo. Where have you been? XRP is to the downside. Everything to the downside is a buy. Everything to the downside is a buy. You don't buy on the green. You buy on the red. That's what we're doing. We're buying on the red. We bought on the red on 70. We're buying on the red on 65. We're buying on the red on 55. And we're buying on the red on 49. One of those zones is going to be a little bit of a bouncy bounce. So let's figure it out. Let's go in it. You strap in. Let's go. Let's effing go. Give me a second, guys. I'm pretty sure that the tripod has already filled up with a little bit of energy. The battery went off on my tripod, so I've been holding on to the tripod. Let me see if I can fix it. Give me a second, guys. Don't go anywhere. Mingle amongst yourself while I fix this. Let me see if I can fix it. Smash that like button, guys. Let's go in it. Let me see if I can turn this on. Can I turn it on? And there we go. Yay! It works. Yay, I fixed it. Woohoo. Smash that like button if you haven't done it yet, guys. We're going to try to get all-time highs to the smash of the last live stream. I think we did like 28,000 likes. Can we get to 30? Let's fucking go, guys. Smash that like button if you haven't already. On all the streaming platforms, I'm all over the place. Let's go. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are amazing. Moving on to some Litecoin action. What is Litecoin doing over here? Let me get rid of that so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. What is Litecoin doing right now? Well, Litecoin went through the halving, didn't it? Did Litecoin go through the halving already? Chat, tell me, did Litecoin go through the halving already? I don't know. I think it was today, right? Was it today or was it last week? I think it was today or this week. I don't remember. God damn it. But look at that. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. And looky here, guys. This is what I mean about learning to identify your Fibonacci levels. Okay, Digital Ronin, big shout out to you, my one subscriber over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you over on the TikTok, guys. How you doing, my Digital Ronin? It's all good. You know how it is, chilling like a villain, taking it easy little by little, making these gains to the upside. So look at here, guys. What did I say? You have to go in on a trade on the 618. More often than not, you'll win that trade. That was your sign to getting in on some Litecoin action. See how it's bouncing exactly on the 618? You want to know why? You want to know why there is a bouncy bounce on the 618? Because the 618 is the highest demand zone. And demand is what drives the market. It's money flow. You got to try to get in on where the money is. Follow the money. That's what the 618 is, my man. You follow the money by following the 618. So that was your entry price to getting in on some Litecoin action. If you would have gotten that trade right over there, let's go in on a long and let's find out how much you would have made. You would have made on this beautiful trade about 5%. 5% on your trade. 5% times whatever leverage you want to put in. If you use a 5x leverage, that would have been a beautiful 25% on your trade just by catching it at the 618. Not doing anything else. I'm not using 100,000 indicators. I don't use anything else. The 618. Just trading with the 618. Okay. There's other things, other confirmations that you're going to learn along the way. But for now, master the Fibonacci levels. Master those support lines. Okay. If you don't know how to set up your Fibonacci levels, here are my Fibonacci settings. Take a screenshot of that because that is very important. This is how I set up my Fibonacci levels. Okay. You can use whatever colors you want, but do make sure that you use the same ranges. Okay. Make sure that you use your same ranges. Take a screenshot of that if you don't have my Fibonacci levels. Okay. You're not going to find this anywhere else. Okay. But Litecoin, finding that support within the 0.5, we're going to probably see some more upwards action on some Litecoin. So definitely getting in. James Nave over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Looking like we're going to have a little bit of an upswing for some Litecoin action. Tied to Bitcoin. Remember that, guys. Tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't pump, Litecoin ain't going nowhere. Okay? Okay. Do what you want to do with that information. Completely up to you. Oh, finally, my other beautiful baby girl, XLM. My man, look at XLM. What the fuck is XLM doing? XLM, what are you doing with your life? What ridiculousness is this? We have a low. We have a high. We have a pullback on the high, so we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our beautiful Fibonacci levels. And looky here. Found support within the 0.5. That was your signal to getting in on some XLM. 14 cents. Trying to break out of the 382. Did it break above the 382? No, it did not break above the 382. It found resistance on the 382. Okay, so the 382 is heavy resistance. It often is. So I usually trade when I get in on the golden zone and then I get out on the 382 because it usually has a little bit of a pullback on that 382. But let me tell you right now, if we close above the 382, we get a nice green candle to the upside. A green candle to the upside. That is telling me that we have a high probability that we're going to get to that 23 cent XLM. My man, I told you to buy XLM when it was at 9 cents. Rewatch my live streams. It's at 15 cents right now. You're in major profits on XLM. I'm telling you, we're going to get to 23 cents. Do with that information as you may. I'm going to get in on XLM at this price range right over here. 0.133848. That's how I'm going to get in on some XLM action. 13 cents. 13 cents. Okay, I'm going to get in at 13 cents on XLM. Brandon Spalding over on the TikTok saying render token. You want to look at some render? Yeah, we can look at some render. Why not? I believe we've been doing some TA on render for quite a while. Let's see how that one is playing out. It's RNDR. Render. We'll go into that one in a little while. Stick around. Norris Morgan over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. How Arizona Snowbird. Big shout out to you. How high will XLM go eventually? To the sky, brother. Like I always say, there is no the sky is not the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Okay, there is no limit to how high XLM can go. The limit is how much patience do you have. That's the real limit. How much emotional maturity do you have to hold on to a goddamn coin for a very long ass time and not take some profits? That I cannot teach you. But the all-time high as of right now for XLM was 80 cents. You can get it now at 14. That's about 7x. Not financial advice, but come on. 7 times. 7 times. That's the potential of the all-time high. If we ever get to the all-time high. I don't know if we're actually going to get to the all-time high. But if we do, we're talking about 7 times my money. 7 times my money. I'm getting in at 13 cents on XLM. That's all I got to say. 13 cents. That's my target price. Robert Stuck. We're on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Robert. Big shout out to me or dad. Me HR dad. Big shout out to you, me HR dad. Thank you for that follow. User 81 over on the TikTok saying, can you do link? We can do some link. Of course we can do some link. Stick around and smash that like button for some link action. All right, let's look at some IOTA. 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 Whoa. What the fuck is IOTA doing? My man, let me tell you right now, bro. If you're trading on some IOTA, whenever you see on the daily chart a type of chart like this, where it is just trading on the bottom, that's what I call it. A bottom coin. That's called a BBC. And whenever you see a BBC, you buy the shit out of it. Okay? It's a bottom coin. It doesn't have any TA. It doesn't have any expectations whatsoever. But if you buy a bottom coin, you have a huge probability that on the next bull cycle, this fucker is going to pump. Okay? When it trickles down from Bitcoin to Ethereum to XRP to all the top 10, and then it trickles down to the altcoins, which is altcoin season, what's called altcoin season, this fucker's probably going to trade to the upside. It's going to probably pump for the next bull cycle. I can never tell you when that's going to happen. I can never tell you what the high of that is going to be. But if you're looking for some bottom coins that you can buy, just put $100 in and forget about it for the next bull cycle. That's what IOTA is. So IOTA, as of right now, I'm giving it my BBC stamp. Bottom coin. Get in on some IOTA action at the bottom, which is right now. Okay? If I was buying IOTA, I would buy it right now. It's on the bottom. I'll put it in my Ledger device. I think I can store it in my Ledger device. I'm not 100% sure if Ledger stores IOTA. I could get that checked out. I really don't know. But put it in your Ledger device or your LEPAL, wherever it supports it, and forget about it for the next bull cycle. I'm telling you right now, for the next bull cycle, bottom coin, let's go. IOTA to the moon. Let's look at some Hex coin. Hex is getting sued by the SEC. I don't know if you saw the news today. So anybody holding on to some Hex coin, you're probably going to get some bottom action, some downwards momentum. Let me see. Where can I trade Hex coin? Can I trade Hex? I can trade Hex. Yeah, we can trade Hex. Yeah. See what's happening right here? Right there. We're having a little bit of a bottom coin scenario, but it's probably going to dump even more. Wow. Hex is less than a cent. and they're getting sued. Oh, man, it's a bad day for anybody holding on to some Hex coin. It is not looking too good for Hex at all. And after that lawsuit, it's just not going to look any better whatsoever. What's the all-time high on Hex coin? Let me see over here. It's 22 cents. Well, I believe that Hex is just going to keep going lower because of the lawsuit. It got sued today. It was announced, so this probably is going to keep dumping from here. But if you guys are still trading some bottom action, this is what you're waiting for. These dumps that are happening right now is less than a cent. It's less than a cent. I'm giving it, guys. I'm calling it BBC. Bottom coin. Start stacking up. I'm going to start stacking up on some Hex coin for whenever the lawsuit ends, which you're all super duper experts by now. If you're on the XRP army, you know how this actually plays out, guys. You know how this is going to play out. 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line. Let's see how this fucker is going to play out. Okay, especially for the next bull cycle. We're probably not going to see all-time highs because of the lawsuit. But hey, any upward swing is a welcome for me. Any upward swing, why not? So I'm giving it my BBC stamp to bottom coin. Okay, to start stacking up with some Hex coin after the. Let's see how it goes after the lawsuit. Okay, let's go into Bonk coin. What the hell is Bonk coin? I don't even know what Bonk coin does. Can I trade it on KuCoin? No, but I can trade it on BigGet. Let me go to CoinMarketCap for a second here. What does Bonk even do, guys? Always remember to do your research. Whoa, this fucker is it's a shit coin inside the Solana network, right? Yep. Contracts is on the Solana. All right, so it's a DeFi coin. I'm pretty sure it's a DeFi coin. Let me see. According to the one page, Bonk is the first dog themed coin on Solana. So it's a dog coin on Solana for the people, by the people. With 50% of the total supply of the cryptocurrency airdrop to the Solana community, Bonk is similar to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin meme coins. It was launched on December 25th, 2022, and led an increase in the price of the SOL token, blah, blah, blah. Trading began on blah, 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 arousing genuine interest for the blah, blah, blah. The main goal of the team is to bring back liquidity to Solana-based decentralized exchanges. The idea of the developers was to create a full-fledged community coin that will be used across all the dApps built on Solana, and each user will have the opportunity to become part of the ecosystem. So it's a shit coin inside the Solana network. I don't know. Anyways, I'm giving it my BBC stamp of approval. It's on the bottom. So if you guys want to trade any coin that's on the bottom, it's on the bottom. Okay? Bottom coins. You know what that means already, my man. You buy it now and you hold it for the next bull cycle. Buy it now and you hold it for the next bull cycle. When is the next bull cycle? No idea whatsoever. I'm thinking November next year. November next year, after we get the new president, we're gonna get the bull cycle. That's my prediction. I could be completely full of shit, guys. I don't have a time machine. Nobody really knows, okay? No TA knows. We don't know. I'm betting November next year, after we get the new president. You'll see. Hey, I said it here first. You saw it. It's recorded November 2024. Okay? B Alpha over on the TikTok saying just picked up a bag. My man. You're a smart man right there, B Alpha. You're a smart man. Arizona Snowbird over on the TikTok saying 118 degrees today in Phoenix, Arizona. My man, big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on Phoenix, Arizona. Bro, 118 degrees? That's outside my door, right in the driveway. That's 118 degrees right over there. I got in my car today, and it said 118 outside. I'm like, Jesus Christ. It's like, does the sun hate my house? because my house was at 118. My AC is cranked up all the way up, and it's hot as balls. You go to the kitchen, it's hot as balls, bro. I don't know what the hell is happening with the world, but I'm not liking it. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. 118 degrees. And I'm in Puerto Rico. I'm closer to the equator. It's hot as balls, bro. We need a hurricane to cool things off, you know? Nah, no, not really. We don't need a hurricane. I didn't say that. Scratch that. Cut that and get the fuck out. But the heat wave is just beyond, my man. It's just beyond. Digital Ronin over on the check. So I thank you for that fireball. Big shout out to you, Digital Ronin. You the man. Thank you for that badge. Digital Ronin, thank you for that coin. That's amazing, my man. Thank you so much. B Alpha saying you want to look at some 0x0 AI. I think we talked about that coin a few streams back. Let me see. I'm actually curious. 0x0 AI. I will look at that coin. Digital Ronin, think of it cool, my man. You know how it is, just chilling like a villain, trying to keeping it cool because it's hot as balls. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It's 6:30. The sun should be getting down right now, but it was hot as balls today, bro. I could go for an ice cream. Endless Summer, thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Endless Summer, over on the TikTok. Let's go into some render coin. Render. Where the fuck is render on KuCoin? Render token. There we go. All right. So render, my target, this was from previous live streams, by the way. My target price is still set at $1.6715. It still hasn't bounced. I told you guys it was going to break the 0.5. It broke the 0.5. And now we're going to get that support on the 618. So my entry price for render is still at $1.67. It's still at $1.67. Okay. So smart money would tell you get in at $1.67. I'm going to give you three options. Right now. Let me draw it out here on the screen for you guys. So for render, there we go. I will give you three options. You can get it at $1.67, which is this zone right here. At $1.26, which is this zone right here. Or 97 cents. Those are my three entry prices. $1.67, $1.26, and 0.9798. There. Those are my three price ranges to dollar cost average on the way down for some render. Okay, so if you're in the render army, that's how I would play it out. Okay, those are my entry prices for render. It's the 618, the negative 382, and the negative 618. At some point, those are going to be support lines. Okay, support lines. Okay. So we're going to play out those ranges, okay? So if you're in render, take a screenshot of that, play it out however the hell you want to play it. Those are my entry prices, okay? Bulldog Gangaling. That's the, bro. I'm telling you right now, that's the best fucking TikTok name ever. Bulldog Gangalang. That is kick ass. Yo, man, where you been? Thought the crypto kidnappers got you. Someday, my man. Someday somebody's gonna try to kidnap me, my man. Whenever XRP goes to $100, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to need security in my house. It's gonna happen. Rest assured. But I just had a little bit of a BC weekend, my man. You know how it is. Just trying to chill the fuck out. And next weekend is going to be the exact same thing. I'm working on a project and I just got to, I can't be in two places at once. I wish I could, but I can't. So next weekend, guys, Thursday and Friday, I won't be able to stream, okay? So for next weekend, Thursday and Friday, I won't be able to be here. But I'll be back on next Monday, okay? I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back on Wednesday, but I'll be... Then after that, I won't be able to stream on Thursday and Friday, okay? I got to do some things. I got to take care of a few things. And the summer, thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Big D. Big shout out to the Big D. How you doing, my man? It's all good, all good. Bruder Crypto, thank you for stopping by over on the Twitch channel. Big shout out to you, Bruder Crypto. What's up with you, my man? It's all good and good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, little by little. Try not to melt into the ground with the fucking heat wave that is happening right now over on Puerto Rico. CC707, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa. Bro, that's a kick-ass name also. Wingardium Leviosa. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Wingardium Leviosa. Leviosa. Smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. We're trying to get to all-time highs. We're about 2.4 thousand likes. That is beautiful to see, as always. Smash that like button and make sure that you follow me on every platform that I have available, guys. I'm streaming on every platform. YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my price ranges. And the Summer Rowan over on the TikTok saying, yep, it's freaking hot here. Yep, yes, it is. Brother, I go outside to take the trash out, and I'm sweating. Like, sweating. And I'm just moving a cart. Like, I'm sweating. I don't know what the hell is happening with the world, but this shit ain't normal. I mean, it's been hot as balls since forever, but I don't think it's been this fucking hot. It's just, it ain't right. It ain't right. And the submarine on the web. Oh, you Puerto Rican, brother? Are you here in Puerto Rico? You know what? Don't answer that question. We don't need to know. We don't need to know. But wepa to you do, my man. Ya tú sabes. Ya tú sabes. Jal V123 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Jal V. Thank you for that follow. All right. What do we got? Let's look at some link. You guys want to look at some link action. Let's look at some link. Link. Can I trade link on KuCoin? Yay! Chainlink. All right, let's see what we got over here on Chainlink. Oh, we got a lot of sideways action. That's not good. Okay, let me see. Let me zoom out. Let me not jump into conclusions. So Link is just stuck on one hell of a channel. Let me draw that out. It's here and... Oh, I hate this fucking magnet thing. And here. So that's your channel. This is your bear flag. Let me see what we got over here. That's your bear flag. That's where you're going to want to start breaking out. Okay. Man, Chainlink is just stuck, isn't it? It's just super sideways action right there. Well, with this type of coins, you know what I like to do? I like to turn on the RSI. RSI. Relative Strength Index, which is an indicator. And since we are stuck in the middle, inputs, I put it on 30. The style, I'll leave it as is. And I just zoom in. And since now that I have a channel, very, very, very pronounced channel, I just buy at the bottom and sell on the high. Buy here, sell here. And how do I know what bottom is a bottom and what high is a high? The RSI. This is a bottom and this is a top. Okay, it's going to probably stay stuck within those zones right there. So following this channel alone, that would have banked quite little hefty trades. You get in here, you get out here. You get in here, you get out. You're not even out yet. But you go on the top. You get in here, you get out here. You get in here, you get out here. So on and so forth. Digital marketing over on the TikTok saying, yo, it's Crypto Mike. What's good? Says, hey, Crypto Mike, big shout out to you, Crypto Mike. How you doing, man? It's all good. You know how it is. Try not to melt. It's hot as balls. Taking it easy, little by little. Drinking a lot of water. Yeah, drink that water, my man. Bulldog Gang Galang over on the TikTok saying, I think the transactions on XRP are kicking. bro. It's just moving from 68 to 71. Let me tell you something very important, my man. Listen here. Come closer, Bulldog. Come here. Get closer. All right. It's stuck on 70 cents. 70 cents is major support, my man. Major support on 70 cents. I truly don't think we're going to get to 65, let alone 56 or 49. Because that motherfucker does not want to break 70 cents. Work with me here, guys. Bring this fucker to 65 so I can get in on some more XRP. Can we please get 65 cent XRP? Please. Can we? Can we do? We need some more XRP, guys. I want all the XRP. I want all of that. Gabriela Magda Montano over on the tech shop. Big shout out to you. Great. What is your strategy for XRP? What you're looking on the screen right now, I'm getting in on 65, 56, and 49. Those are my entry prices. My $3 cost averages. $3 cost average entry prices as of right now. Okay. Arizona Snowbird over on the TikTok saying, I had a dream the other day that XRP would hit 25 cents. Brother, if XRP hits 25 cents, I'm refinancing my house and I'm taking more XRP. No, don't do that. Don't do that. That's stupid. Forget I even said that. Forget I even said that. But if XRP goes to 25 cents, I'm getting a second job, a third job. I'm selling weed on the corner. I don't know what the fuck I got to do, but I got to get some more XRP if XRP goes to 25 cents. Caesar KD over on the TikTok saying, have you analyzed Litecoin today? Yes, I did, my man. But, I got you. These are my entry prices right over here. My entry prices. Actually, no, on Litecoin, we already hit the target price. So we need to wait now for the price to come back down so that we can reset the Fibonacci levels. But the entry price was 87, 88. Okay. So if we can get a second chance to get it at $88, then hooray if we can. But I just don't see it happening anytime soon. Okay. So for Litecoin, it's a step back and let the market do its thing. Okay. But the signal was there. The 618 at 88. I hope you got it at 88. Okay. From previous live streams. Prep Money over on the TikTok saying Wells Fargo says XRP, $500 in XRP in 7 months. I'm going to tell you something right now, my man. If XRP goes to $500, that's it. It's the end of the crypto sensei. I'm sorry. But if XRP goes to $500, you're not ever going to find me. And ever. I'm going to get plastic surgery. A whole new ID with like a whole new birth certificate, a whole new social security number. I'm moving to another country. I'll probably buy a whole island, make it myself. Just like a fortress of solitude where nobody can come and visit. Super introvert. I'm a super introvert. I'm sorry to say. But $500 XRP? Brother, I'm not that lucky. I'm not lucky at all. $500 XRP. From your mouth to God's ears. From your mouth to God's ears. We need $500 XRP. I don't think I don't have the emotional maturity to hold on to $500 XRP. I have $5 XRP. 100 times that. I just don't have it in me. Big shout out to Nap over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, my man. Caesar KD over on the TikTok. Thank you, my man. Thank you for stopping by. Big shout out to you. Prep Money over on the TikTok saying then it's going to be the crypto yacht, Sensei. I'm going to tell you right now, you're all invited to my crypto yacht if we get to $500 XRP. I'll go pick you up wherever the hell you are. I don't give a fuck at $500 XRP. God damn. Honest, I don't even want to think of things like that, you know, because I'll go crazy. I'll go crazy. Some weird thoughts coming into my head, and no. Just leave me at my $5 XRP. You know, leave me in the ground, like on the walking ground. You know, let me not fly too high. Ray Crispin over on the TikTok saying, "Where can I buy XRP? Anywhere, bro. XRP is relisted everywhere. There's no excuse not to be able to buy XRP. You can get it anywhere. Coinbase, Crypto.com, Uphold, KuCoin, BitGet, anywhere." At Bill's over on the TikTok saying, "I made $250 million off my $2 200 XRP long when it went to 17,600K. What? 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 That makes no sense to me, my man, Bills. That makes no sense. You got $250 million and you're looking at me. What the fuck are you doing with your life? Send some over. That's all you got to do. I better see some donations. That's all. $250 million. Nap saying over on the TikTok, don't say that. Nap, $500 XRP? I'm a multi-millionaire. Like, there's so much good I can do with the world with $500 XRP. I'm not going to spend it here. There's too much to do. Who knows? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's get there. Let's cross that bridge. Let's get to $500 XRP, and let's see what I do. We'll figure it out then, okay? We'll figure it out then. Jazz over on the TikTok, he's smoking something. Every goddamn day of my life, bro. I'm smoking that XRP weed. You know how it is. You didn't know about that XRP weed. Got to show up. I'll show you where to get that XRP weed. You'll be in the same train as me. And everybody else in my community, XRP weed to those moon guys, you know how it is. But at Bill's over on the text saying, buy Happy Meals. $500 XRP, bro. There's not enough weed in the world. There's just not enough weed in the world. Digital Ronin over on the TikTok, my subscriber saying, I'm just waiting on the negative news articles to see possible slingshot. It's coming. Oh, man. It's a guarantee. I'm telling you guys. It's downwards momentum. It's breaking the bull flag to the downside. The only way that's going to happen if it's money's being taken out of the market. And to take money out of the market in such a huge dip, we're talking about bad news. So there's going to be bad news coming right around the corner. You know how it is. You're already super experts at this, my man. You already know how to play the news. Fuck the news. Fuck the news. We're going to 65. We're going to 56. We're going to 49. And if it goes lower, I'm refinancing my house. I'm selling my car. I'm selling my dog. No, don't sell my dog. No, I'm not going to sell my dog. But I'm getting more XRP. Deanne over on the TikTok saying, how would you take profits if XRP was $500? Bro, I know, right? How the fuck would I even begin to take profits at bro? The market cap of XRP at $500 would be such an astronomical number. Would be such an astronomical number that exchanges wouldn't even know what to do with that number. Where the hell are they going to get the liquidity to pay $500 XRP? You know? But you best believe, Deanne, that if XRP is at $500, I'll find a way. Oh, I will find a way. I would find a way. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying it's okay, just cash out a few mil, right? Just a few mil, like a milli here, a milli there. You never know. Take it easy. A mil a day, $1 million a day, right? Just $1 million a day for the rest of my life, for the next 100 years. Bruder Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying, don't forget XLM and double the gain. Bro, Bruder Crypto, you're a genius, bro. You're a fucking genius. Don't forget XLM and double the gain. Bruder Crypto, you the man. You the man, Bruder Crypto. Don't forget about XLM, guys. I'm making an XLM cap. You can get it in my merch store. Head on over to my merch store. You can get the hats. I'm making an XLM coming real soon. Because if XRP is going to rip it, XLM is going to go right next to it. BGA, big shout out to you, BGA. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Digital Ronin over on the TikTok saying, what currency would you trade it for? None. At $500 XRP, that's such a ridiculous number that what the hell would I want to trade it for? I can buy cities with XRP. So, that's just one of those BS numbers, bro. Like, I don't know. No, come on. I mean, is it possible? Yeah, of course, anything is possible. But I don't have the emotional maturity to hold on to $500 XRP. As soon as this fucker goes to $5, I'm going to take some profits. It's common sense. Oh, wait. We don't work in common sense. I'm sorry. I used the common sense word. That's not how it works. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying you can split up between exchanges and catch out. Bro, you don't understand. You don't understand what cashing out millions of dollars would take. Like, my account would get immediately flagged. Like, immediately. They wouldn't even let me withdraw. Yep. They wouldn't even let me withdraw. I don't even want to think of things like that. You get me all emotional and then I start crying because it's not there yet. And no, we don't need that. We don't need that. PGA, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Deanne over on the TikTok saying emotional maturity. I do not. At Bill's emotional damage. That's what I would do. That's what I would have. Emotional damage. At Bill's saying sue them. Bro, I don't. With $500 XRP, I will go get them. I'll go get them myself. I don't have to sue anybody. I'll go get the money. I'll go. Personally, I will walk in. I want my money. Nap over on the TikTok saying never sell. Use it as capital to get your loan. That's one way of doing it, Nap. No, you're smarter than you look. I mean, I don't know how you look, but you're smarter than you seem. That's one way to do it. But I'm not going to talk about that here. I'm not going to talk. I'm telling you, I would find the money. I would find a way. I would never sell my XRP. I would never sell. I wouldn't never sell my XRP. At $500 XRP, I don't have to sell anything. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying, bro, XRP to $500. I'm mass cashing out for every exchange. I'll get paid. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. You're going to get paid. Yes, you will. At Bill's over on the TikTok saying, that's what I said. They bullied me. They said, look, it's needs to say market price. I'm sorry, Bills. I lost them. That's what I said. They bullied me. They bullied you here. Who's bullying my man Bills? Who's bullying my man Bills? Don't be bullying my man Bills. No. Nap over on the TikTok saying BTC too. At Bill saying, I said, look, XRP is $17,500. I said, pay up. I wish. Digital roaming all around the TikTok saying, imagine how many cousins, tias, uncles, and old high school people you never even meet popping up. I'm going to tell you right now. Yeah. All of them. All of them. And I got a shit ton of cousins. I got a shit ton of tias. I'm Puerto Rican. I'm Latino. I got a shit ton of family members. You get 200 new cousins overnight. Absolutely. I already have 200 cousins. Like they were just in my doorstep, like in the same day. Same day. And they know that I hold XRP. Most of my family members know that I hold XRP. They call me all the time. They're like prowling and just asking, hey, how's XRP doing? Is XRP $5 yet? Like, all, you know, sometimes they WhatsApp me. Unless someone say, primo. Yeah, primo this. At Bill's ancestrystory.com. Yeah, I'm gonna get a DNA test. Absolutely, from all of them. It's gonna be a requirement to get to my house. Bring me a DNA test, and then we'll talk. You guys are hilarious. Rick007 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. At Bill saying, pay the man. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Dr. Tremendo over on the TikTok saying, you think XRP is gonna go to $5? That's actually my price range. My price range is not $500. My price range is $5 to take a little bit off the top, you know. But yeah, I do believe that XRP can go to $5, and it's gonna go real soon. But I don't think it's gonna go to $5 until we break above that 76-cent mark. If we close above 76, $5 is right around the corner. Digital roaming over and let me hold an XRP. Bicho, eh? Fuck that. I hold my own XRP. Don't worry about it. David Wilbon over on the TikTok saying follow the live. Thank you for that follow, David Wilbon. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying $5. Yeah, that's profit taking time, not all of it, just a little taste. Yeah, that's my plan. My plan is to take that $5 XRP, just a little bit off the top, buy a nice little house, take care of all of my debts, just a little bit, you know. Buy a nice house, buy me my Lambo that I wanted to buy. So that, you know, everybody in crypto has a Lambo, so I gotta have a Lambo. I can't, you know, not have a Lambo if I'm on crypto. I'm getting a nice house, a Lambo. I'm buying a commercial building, leasing that building, and then we keep going. That's my plan for $5 XRP. Okay, that's my plan. That's a master plan right there. Marcus Charles over on the TikTok saying XRP to 19 cents. Brother, I will steal a bank. if XRP goes to 19 cents. I would refinance my house. I would sell my car. I would sell my dog. I would sell my neighbor. I'll sell anything. I'll sell weed. I'll do whatever the fuck it takes to get more XRP if we go to 19 cents. Oy, diablo. 19-cent XRP. Jesus Christ. Whew. You get me all excited, my man. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. No. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying Lambo with an XRP wrap on it. Oh, have you seen my start soon? Look at this. I don't know if you've seen this on my YouTube channel. Let me show you this. I have a starting soon scene on my YouTube channel. Look at it. That's my Lambo right there. Look at it. The wrap with the XRP. That's going to be my Lambo. I already have it designed. The AI designed it for me, my man. It's done. It's just a matter of time. It's done. It's done, bro. It's just a matter of time. I already put it out there. Law of attraction. Law of attraction. That's going to be the Lambo. Black with the XRP on the side. You'll see. Hey, you'll see. Yo Primo over on the TikTok saying a lot of exchanges have stopped people from buying crypto all the time. It's just an automatic thing. When XRP pumped, look what the hell happened to Uphold. They went down. They couldn't handle. It's not that they couldn't handle, bro. They're trying to manipulate the price. It has nothing to do with volume. They have all the volume. They have all the servers. Everything is done. The technology works. It's not technology. It's not a lot of people buying and selling. No. They manipulate the price the way that they see fit. All exchanges are evil. Platforms are evil. Don't trust them. None of them. Not a single one. Not a single one. Not a single one. Bill's over on the TikTok saying now at best 55 cents. Yeah, I already gave it to you. I already gave you my price ranges. There you go. 55 cents. Digital Ronin Collector saying make a big bank, take little bank. What do you mean? What do you mean, Digital Ronin? Make a big bank, take a little bank. Digital Ronin saying whales trying to feel you into selling at the lowest to rack them up. Absolutely. Man, Wall Street is the best at that game. The train leaves, those motherfuckers lasso the train and bring it back. It's the nature of the beast, and you have to learn to trade in favor of the beast, never against it. That's why we do our TA. That's why we trade the exact same way that they do, because we never, ever, ever want to go against what the big traders do. You always want to do what they do. Brutal Crypto on the Twitch saying we all get free XRP caps. The least I could do is to give you a free XRP cap at $500 XRP. Come on, Brudicrit. Duh. At Bill's over on the TikTok saying, how do I find out what they do? I want to ride dolphins. Yeah, the least you can do is ride a dolphin at $500 XRP. At Sebastian, thank you for that follow. Sebastian over on the TikTok saying XRP goes correction for a while. Yeah, you cannot expect a coin to pump 100% in a day and not find correction on the way down. It makes no sense. So anybody who told you, oh, that fucker was going to go to $5 the same day, no. That's not how it works. Nothing goes up forever. There is going to be pullbacks. There's going to be confirmations. There's going to be corrections. There's going to be pull to the downside. That's what we're banking on. We bank on the fact that it's going to come back down because it already had the upside. Now we want to go back in when it comes back down. Okay, 65, actually 70, 65, 55, 49. That's how I'm doing it. Glowhan over on the TikTok saying XRP never hitting 500. They say $5 is more realistic. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We like to dream that we can go to $500. It's always a fun conversation and very entertaining. But if we want to move money around, it's just not smart to think like that. It's not smart to never, ever take profits on the way up. No. Take your profits on the way up. Can we get to 500? Of course we can get to 500. We can get to $1 million XRP. There is no limit. It's just you got to think more realistic. Okay. You got to think safer. But that's just how I do it. You do whatever you want to do with your money. At Bill's over on the TikTok saying, I believe in the glitch. We see UFO now. So, oh yeah. See, even more sense that we're gonna get to $500 XRP. We have aliens, bro. Aliens are real. So $500 XRP, and that's far-fetched? Nah. $500 XRP is right around the corner. Why? Because we got aliens, bro. Aliens are fucking real. We live in a world where aliens are real. Man, I woke up one morning, I opened my TikTok, and the first thing I see is fucking Congress talking about aliens are real. I think there's no... I must be doing out of fake, like those AI fake things or whatever. No, that shit was real. These fuckers were serious. They were seriously telling me that aliens are real. I was like, this isn't happening. The government is saying that the government was lying about aliens and that aliens are real. That made no sense to me. But now we live in a world where aliens are real and interdimensional beings are real and everything is real. Vampires are real. Werewolves are real. Witches are real. Everything is real, bro. Everything. The whole thing. Yeah, that's the world we live in. And people are saying that XRP can't go to 500. Makes no sense to me. And Bill's over on the TikTok saying whatever TikTok says happens. Absolutely, my man. Trust in TikTok. Trust in TikTok. Everything in TikTok is real and true. There are no lies in TikTok. Bulldog. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying aliens are Elon Musk family. I'd believe it. That fucker is on a whole other level. Digital Ronin Collective over on the TikTok saying false flag those that reversed engineered the UFOs in private sector. Brother, we live in a world where aliens are real, man. What more do you want? What more do you want for confirmation of $5 XRP that aliens are real? Nick Beam over on the TikTok saying, what is XRP price prediction in upcoming bull run? For me, is and will always be $5 XRP. I am him over on the TikTok saying, hey, man, we all know that if it's on the internet, then it's real. Absolutely, bro. Oh, man, no more truer words than that. If it's on the internet, bro, it's real. XRP is going to $5. Aliens are real. Vampires are real. That's it. That's it. What more do you want? What more do you want? Layla Lou over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, Layla Lou. Price check. We can look some price check. What's going on with the price right now on XRP? We're still at 69 cents, brother. Holding strong to that 69.70 mark. We ain't going nowhere. Let's go to the minute chart. Just for shits and giggles, let's go to the 5-minute chart. We never ever trade on the 5-minute chart, but it's always fun to see what the hell is happening super quickly. Double bottom action happening right now on some XRP action. Still some downwards, guys. We're going down. We're going down. We're going down, boys. Broke to the downside, found the resistance, and now we're breaking back down. It is what it is. Nick Beam over on the TikTok saying, what is the XRP? What is the XLM price prediction in upcoming bull run? All-time highs, brother. All-time highs. What time is it? You fuckers got me here for 3 hours the last time. It's 7 p.m. All right, guys. I know that this is super duper fun, but I gotta eat. I gotta do something. I gotta make these gains. I can't stay here all day. Should I stay here all day? Come on. Let me be. Let me see what's my trade doing over here. Give me a second before I go. Let me go. What do we got over here? What do we got? We got my trades at 49. What the hell happened to my 65 cent XRP trade? Somebody closed my 65 cent XRP trade. That ain't good. Yeah, no, guys, I'm going in. I can't miss this 65 cent XRP trade. That's for crazy people. I'm gonna put some more money in, and what the hell happened to my trade at 65 cents? I got the 55, I got the 49. I don't know why it closed on itself. Anyway. Endless summer, my man. You gotta go. Take care, bro. You too, my man. Take care. Thank you for stopping by, man. I appreciate you, man. I have a lot of fun talking with you guys over here. This is like therapy for me, you know. This is like therapy for me. Bill safety meeting. All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I got for you today. Hope you all had a whole lot of fun. I sure as hell had a whole lot of fun. I love talking to you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is like therapy for me. This is why I do it every day, because I need to like vent out all of my frustrations on you guys. And you guys are always there for me, my man. You know, big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. You guys are amazing. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you again tomorrow. I'm coming back tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure that you don't miss it to see what the hell is happening with the price ranges on tomorrow's trade. Let's see if we can get in on a trade. Let's see if we can cross our fingers and go to 65 cents. We got to make it. Let's go. We want that 65 cent XRP. Come on, man. Let's make it happen. So big shout out for everybody here. Thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. And make sure that you follow me on my YouTube channel. All of my streams are being recorded into my YouTube channel. And I stream on YouTube also. Link in bio if you want to be at a bigger, better YouTube stream. Okay, guys? So I will see you again tomorrow. Big shout out for all of you. Take care. God bless. And have a good one.